Welcome to Genesis Advisory Services website and thank you for visiting. Today we are going to discuss CEO peer groups and their benefits to you, the CEO, and your organization. We will also talk about what you can expect as an active participant in a CEO peer group and the membership requirements for joining a Genesis CEO peer group. A CEO peer advisory group consists of 12 to 16 high-powered CEOs that meet at a set time to address real business issues and develop solutions. The group is professionally facilitated by a chair and provides a confidential environment for candid and open discussions that lead to a plan for addressing business problems. Through this process, members share experiences and learn real-world solutions that can also be applied to their individual businesses. This process is proven to drive business results. Fast Company magazine and Business.com cited several statistics regarding business owners who participate in a facilitated peer advisory board or a group. 64% report an increase in bottom line profitability. 56% report an increase in top line sales. 60% report an increase in productivity. There were also significant improvements in quality, customer service, teamwork, and increased job satisfaction. The overall positive revenue impact of a peer advisory board can be from 19 to 43% of gross revenues, as quoted by an Entrepreneur Circle blog. In addition to the organizational benefits, there are direct personal benefits to the CEO as a result of his or her participation, including the ability to resolve problems and ID opportunities, to have a sounding board for your ideas, as well as the opportunity to bring these ideas into a think tank environment where you can get practical and candid advice. Let's talk about what you get with your yearly membership. There will be 10 monthly meetings and an annual 2-day retreat. We will discuss the monthly meetings shortly. The 2-day retreat will serve as a strategy development and planning session for the new year, as well as provide a learning component. Each member will also have the option to participate in a self-assessment exercise that will provide valuable insight on the individual's strengths and weaknesses. It would be your option to share with the group. However, it is highly encouraged as it would help with establishing group dynamics and synergy. You will also receive a monthly book recommended by the chair. Great CEOs understand the need to learn and grow. The rapidly changing business environment mandates that the CEO keeps up with the new developments and concepts. At each meeting, you will benefit from the knowledge of speakers who are leading consultants, executives, and/or authors in the field. The open discussion with the speakers and members of the group offer a unique opportunity to share experiences and learn from the group. The member presentation part of the agenda will feature a member presenting his strategic vision and/or a pressing issue that he would like input from his group. After the presentation, an open discussion is facilitated by the chair to drive towards an action plan that addresses the issues. It is now up to the individual CEO to accept and implement the recommendation. The group and chair will act as a sounding board for keeping the action plan on track. The half-day meeting will conclude with a group roundtable that will allow each member input on issues requiring immediate attention, as well as follow-up and status on outstanding action plans. The quarterly coaching session is a 1 to 2 hour one-on-one meeting with the chair. The goal of this session is to provide the CEO with individual and personal time to discuss any issues or plans related to the business. Typically, we discuss any issues with the strategic business plan, any preparation required for the next half-day session, follow up on any action plans that are already in place or that were developed at the last meeting, as well as any direct input from the chair that may be needed in your business, and identifying any additional business needs. Joining the group is pretty simple. First, you must be invited by the chair or nominated by an existing member. You must have at least 2 years in your current CEO position, as well as be profitable and commit to attend and participate in 85% of the meetings. You will also be required to sign a confidentiality agreement, as everything discussed at these meetings is completely confidential. There are certain personal characteristics that we look for as well. If you're a lifelong learner, willing to learn from others, and willing to share your own ideas and have a how can I help mentality, as well as open to new ideas, opinions, and thoughts, a good communicator, and willing to commit to the process, you probably make a good candidate for the group. The following is food for thought. In summary, the smart CEO realizes the need that he needs help in moving his organization forward. The peer advisory group provides one of the best methods available for providing an environment for exchanging ideas and getting that valuable information that he needs to move the organization to the next level. Thank you again for visiting our site and listening to this brief presentation. We look forward to hearing from you with any questions or additional information that you may require.